Okay. Anak, listen to teacher. Pag nag-grab kayo, hindi ko sinasabi out kayo. Dapat pag sinabi ka ni teacher, grab yun at saka na kukunin ang pack. Okay? Do you understand me? Yes! Good job! Okay. Pag nag-grab kayo, hindi sinasabi ni teacher, out.
Yeah, ako Gab. Listen to teacher.
Okay. Then, as